In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Twitter using your Google account in a simple and fast way. This process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open a web browser of your choice and head over to a search engine like Google. In the search bar, type Twitter or X, which is its new moniker post rebranding, and then hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. The first link should take you directly to the Twitter homepage. Go ahead and click on that link. Once you're on the Twitter homepage, take a moment to look around. You should see the option to sign in or sign up. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Since today we're focusing on signing up with a Google account, look for the option that says sign in with Google and click on it. This is a quick way to get started without the hassle of creating a new username and password specifically for Twitter. Clicking sign in with Google will prompt a pop-up window listing the Google accounts you have. Now you need to select the email address you want to associate with your Twitter account. Click on your preferred email address. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're selecting the one you want to use for your Twitter activities, as this will be the primary email associated with your Twitter account. Occasionally Google might ask for verification just to ensure it's really you trying to sign in. This step is crucial for your online security and typically involves confirming your identity via a prompt sent to your phone or by answering a security question. Make sure you follow any verification instructions promptly to avoid any hitches in the sign-in process. After verifying your Google account, you'll see a series of prompts from Twitter designed to help you complete the sign-in process. These prompts might include agreeing to terms of service, customizing your profile, or showing you how to follow some initial accounts. Just follow these steps as instructed, as they're quite intuitive. Finally, once you've completed these prompts, you'll be redirected to the Twitter homepage. Congratulations, you're all set. You've now signed up for Twitter using your Google account, and you can start exploring the Twitter universe, from following your favorite accounts to tweeting your first thoughts. Remember, signing up with your Google account not only simplifies the process, but also helps keep your login information manageable. Enjoy your time on Twitter and happy tweeting!